All right, continuation with your topic 6. This is number 13 through 20. We are solving by factoring. Remember to put this in the order of ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay? So here I'm going to move everything over, so I have minus 7, minus 7. Cancels out to give you 0. So now I have n squared minus 6n minus 7 is equal to 0. 1, 2, 3 term. Two sets of parentheses. Factors of n squared is n and n. Two numbers that multiply to give you negative 7 is going to subtract to give you 6. That would be negative 7 and plus 1. Set each one equal to 0. So n is equal to 7 because you add to both sides. Set this one equal to 0. Subtract n. Subtract 1. So n is equal to negative 1. Number 14. Let's move everything over. Minus r, minus 56, minus 56. Put it in this order. So I have r squared minus r minus 56 equal to 0. Two sets of parentheses. Factors of r squared is r and r. Two numbers that multiply to give you negative 56, and it's going to subtract to give you negative 1. 7 and 8. The big one goes with the sign. So plus 7 minus 8. Set this equal to 0, so r is equal to negative 7. Set this one equal to 0, r is equal to 8. Number 15. Okay, so m squared equals, I'm going to move it over, minus 11m plus 30 equal to 0. See, I just took it opposite, okay? Two sets of parentheses. Factors of m squared is m and m. Two numbers that multiply give you 30, and it's going to add to give you negative 11. That would be 6 and 5, and both of them have to be negative. Set each one equal to 0, so m is equal to 6. Set this one equal to 0, so m is equal to 5. Are you noticing that it's always the opposite? Number 16. Minus 16, minus 16. So you have r squared minus 16 equals 0. This is the same as r squared plus 0r minus 16 is equal to 0. Two sets of parentheses, r and r. Negative 16 to get 0r. So negative 4 plus 4. Set this one equal to 0. Set this one equal to 0. R is equal to 4. R is equal to negative 4. By the way, you can write it as plus or minus 4. Same answer. Oops, sorry. Number 17. Add 10 to both sides. So you have n squared plus 7n plus 10 equal to 0. Two sets of parentheses, n and n. 10, and I wanted to add to give you 7n, 2 and 5, plus 2, plus 5. Set it equal to 0, so n is equal to negative 2. Set that equal to 0, okay. So n is equal to negative 5. Number 18. Add 14 to both sides. Okay? So k squared plus 9k plus 14 is equal to 0. Two sets of parentheses. Factors of k squared is k and k. Two numbers that multiply give you 14, and it's going to add to give you 9k. That'll be 2 and 7. Plus 2 plus 7. K plus 2 equal to 0, so k is equal to negative 2. K plus 7 equal to 0, so k is equal to negative 7. Number 19. All right. Subtract 10 on both sides. So n squared plus 3n minus 10 is equal to 0. Two sets of parentheses. Factors of n squared is n and n. Two numbers are multiplied to give you 10, but it's going to subtract to give you positive 3n. 2 and 5. See how that's plus? Plus minus. So minus 2 plus 5. N is equal to 2. Set that equal to 0. N is equal to negative 5. Alright. Number 20. Add 8k to both sides. Give you 0. K squared plus 8k is equal to 0. Two terms. 1, 2. Factor out your k, so you have k plus 8 equal to 0. Set this k equal to 0. Set this one equal to 0. Subtract 8, k is equal to negative 8. And there you have your solving. This is where you're going to cross all the x-axis.